In Hikvision DVR or NVR, how to enable audio on the live view. Right click, main menu, unlock the pattern. Here there is a gear icon, configurations. Okay, so you have to go in the expert mode. Go expert mode and cameras, record, parameter, select the camera. I have connected only one camera, that's the reason it shows one. Stream type, video and audio, apply. And here substream also, you have to go on the substream, make video and audio, apply. You can go on the live view now, it's all done. Or you can copy to all, click here, you can copy to all the setting here. If you want for all the cameras, copy to all, here for all the cameras. Now you can go live.